Beyond every familiar destination, there are new possibilities waiting a dynamic company, heralding winds of change, reaching out to new horizons. The energy of India, Indian Oil. Enterprising, evolving, expanding, exploring, enriching. And spreading these wings of this dynamic company is Business Development Group of Indian Oil. The Business Development Group initiated the opening up of the overseas subsidiaries like Lanka IOC and Indian Oil Mauritius, which are now successful ventures. Moving strategically, leveraging facilities and strengths, creating capability and capacity, the Business Development Group has enabled Indian Oil to move beyond its core business of petroleum products, forging ahead on a well-laid-out roadmap, spanning the hydrocarbon value chain through vertical integration, upstream into oil exploration and production, and downstream into petrochemicals, and diversification into natural gas marketing and renewable energy. Gas is the fuel of the future. Tapping this business opportunity, the Business Development Group has co-promoted Petronet LNG with India's first receiving and regasification terminal set up at Dahej and another terminal at Kochi, in addition to Indian Oil's own terminal at Ennore. Demand for natural gas is growing, and Indian Oil will be directly sourcing LNG to augment the existing indigenous capacity. The 134-kilometer Dadri-Panipat natural gas pipeline is Indian Oil's maiden venture into natural gas transportation. Indian Oil has also entered into partnership with Gujarat State Petroleum Corporation Limited, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited to lay 3 cross-country pipelines of approximately 4,100 kilometers. Indian Oil is also a pioneer in the unique concept of LNG at doorstep, using cryogenic road transportation and storage tanks with almost 10 customer sites. Indian Oil is also in the business of city gas distribution through Green Gas Limited, a joint venture and operating in the cities of Agra and Lucknow. Further work has commenced via another joint venture, Indian Oil Adani Gas Private Limited, for city gas distribution in the cities of Allahabad, Chandigarh, Ernakulam, Panipat and Daman. Backed by the commitment, unstinted dedication and the professional foresight of its strong manpower, P&BD Group is poised to fulfill all its obligations towards the company, society and environment and emerge as the growth driver of the company. Today, Indian Oil stands poised on the threshold to consolidate its leadership position in petrochemicals, expand its footprints in exploration and production, advance its capacity in gas and increase its commitment towards alternative energy. The Business Development Group, trailblazing new opportunities.